Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make bone broth with chicken feet. First, you'll want to gather about 2 pounds of clean chicken feet. Next, chop up 1 large onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks. These aromatics will add wonderful depth to your broth. Don't forget to add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to your pot. This helps extract all those beneficial minerals from the bones. It's a simple step that makes a big difference in the final product. Once all your ingredients are in the pot, cover them with about 12 cups of filtered water. Make sure everything is fully submerged. Bring the mixture to a rolling boil over high heat. As soon as it reaches a boil, immediately reduce the heat to a very low simmer. You want just a gentle bubble, not a vigorous boil, to ensure a clear and flavorful broth. This slow cooking process is key. Now for the patience part. Let your broth simmer gently for a minimum of 12 hours, and ideally up to 24 hours. The longer it simmers, the more nutrients and flavor you'll extract. Remember to skim off any foam or impurities that rise to the surface during the first few hours. Once it's done, let it cool slightly before straining it through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth. After straining, allow your beautiful bone broth to cool completely before storing. You can keep it in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. For longer storage, freeze it in smaller portions, like ice cube trays or freezer-safe bags, where it will last for up to 6 months. This makes it super convenient for cooking or sipping anytime. And hey, if your car needs a refresh, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.